This will be the final video for the bathroom build. I thought this video was up on my channel already, but it wasn't. I will leave link in the description for most of the items that I use in this bathroom build if you're interested in checking them out. This is the vanity. And there's a dimmable switch, and the other switch goes to the exhaust vent. It will automatically turn on once somebody enters the bathroom. And here's a very basic medicine box with a mirror in front of it. There are 4 recessed lights in the ceiling. The exhaust fan was placed closer to the shower. We went with this style of shower because it's a lot easier to clean compared to towel. And we chose a darker finish for all the fixture. And here's the toilet. And I did install a shade. I still have to build a top cover for the top bracket section. And so far this is the only artwork we have here. One of our kids made it. We will most likely be adding more artwork on this wall or some other part of the bathroom. For the past 9 months, we've been using this bathroom a lot more than the upstairs bathroom. So sometime in the future, I will have to upgrade the upstairs bathroom as well. Again, I will leave link in the description if you're interested in purchasing any of those items that I use. Thank you very much for coming to my channel. Have a good one.